video number 2. Another bag. I'm going to do the purse separately. I'm not sure if I'll unbox that one, so we'll see. The big scissors are back. They haven't gone anywhere. I haven't even scored this one, so you are in it for the entire ride this time. This is possibly the most expensive one I've bought yet. It was one of those where I've tried to watch you girls, if I upload this, for people who don't know me. Actually, I've got 3, that's a lie, sorry, but 2 small ones. The oldest one, she's into Gucci, she's not into loungefly. And I wanted to get them each a bag to kind of keep nice and put away. So the older one, I've asked her what her favourite film is, and she answered, and that's what this bag relates to. The little one can't really talk yet, so we've just assumed Princess and the Frog, and that's what she's got. So whether she likes it or not, she'll get a choice. We have stuff in, so we're going to go for overhead throw. Stuff in, yay! This, I think, is very pretty. I can just about see it, so we're going to go for a full undo on this one. So this is Sleeping Beauty. I think this was an American exclusive. I'm not entirely sure if it's come to the UK yet. It's been brought in by Double Box Toys, so the guys that do the mystery boxes that you've seen me do before. So, oh, I love the colour of the straps. That's beautiful. I hadn't twigged that, actually. The colour of the straps is fantastic. So you ready? We're going to do this. You're going to see this before me, technically. Wow, look at that. That is really, really stunning, actually. I love her dress. I love the detail, the flowers. Yeah, colours of the straps. Look at that colour. Like a peacock teal. That's really, really nice. I hadn't even noticed that, actually. And it's similar on the leather around here. Very nice. Really, really pleased. I think it will be a lovely thing to kind of put away. For her, like I'm not going to let my kids use these bags. They are way too expensive. I want to try and see if this is stuffed really tight, actually. So, oh, look at that. That is fantastic. That's probably one of the best linings I've actually seen yet, with all the detail. Let's see, I think it's Merryweather. Someone will correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, lovely bag. Really well packed, actually, as well. I can't actually get that zip back done back up. I can't talk today. I've had a drink since I come home. So what do we think of this one? Sleeping Beauty. I like it. I do like it. It's weird. I think maybe because I've just opened Ariel and that's my bag. This one, I'm not as excited, but don't let that fool you because I think it's actually a really beautiful bag. So that's it for today. Bye bye.